ECG stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Looking at this Everus Construction Group ticker, man, this has a great performance. In post-market, it's already kind of correcting down, which is totally normal, nothing unusual. I am the only person in the stock trading space that's done 40,000 videos and actually documented everything. So, unironically, with ECG, after a pump like this, I mean, yeah, I'm not going to hold back from potentially doubling down. But last thing I'm doing when I say double down is randomly buying, right? So because I do see the price really kind of correcting down in this little post-market sesh, the only thing that I care about is a little correction. And if the price doesn't give me this sort of double break, then I'm not going to sort of buy or do really anything. So I will continue to keep you updated. And if you want to learn how I'm making 10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.